Hey everyone, it's your boy David, and man oh man, winter is officially here. You know what that means, right? Time to crank up the heat, break out the fuzzy socks, and find some awesome indoor activities. Because let's be real, nobody wants to be stuck outside looking like a popsicle. So, if you're anything like me, and want to stay toasty while having a blast, you're in the right place. Get ready to dive into my top 5 winter hobbies that'll warm you up from the inside out. Let's do this! Alright, first up we've got knitting. Now before you go thinking this is just for your grandma, hear me out. Knitting is like the ultimate winter hobby. Picture this, it's snowing outside, you're all snuggled up on the couch, maybe there's a fire crackling in the fireplace, you've got a mug of hot chocolate in hand, and you're creating something amazing with your own 2 hands. I'm talking about cozy scarves, super soft hats, maybe even a giant comfy blanket to wrap yourself in. And the best part is, knitting is surprisingly easy to learn. There are tons of videos online, or you can even grab a beginner's kit at the craft store. Trust me, once you get the hang of those needles clicking away, it's like pure relaxation. Plus you'll have handmade gifts for everyone on your list. Who wouldn't love a personalized hand-knitted scarf? Seriously, it's the thought that counts, right? Okay, next up is a classic for a reason. Baking. Is there anything better than the smell of freshly baked cookies or a warm pie filling your home on a cold winter day? I'm gonna go ahead and say no. It's like instant comfort food for the soul. And the best part is, baking is basically an open invitation to get creative in the kitchen. You can try out new recipes, experiment with different flavors, maybe even invent your own signature cookie. Think about it. Gooey chocolate chip cookies, warm apple pie, gingerbread men with questionable decorating skills. Hey, we've all been there. The possibilities are endless. Plus, baking is a great activity to do with the whole family. Get the kids involved, make a mess, and then devour all the deliciousness together. Just make sure to save me a slice, alright? Chapter 3. Get lost in a good book. Alright, for all my fellow bookworms out there, this one's for you. Winter is the perfect time to finally curl up with that stack of books you've been meaning to read all year. Imagine this. You're all cozy under a warm blanket, maybe there's a fire roaring in the fireplace, you've got a cup of hot cocoa, or maybe something a little stronger. No judgment here. And you're completely lost in another world. Whether you're into thrillers, romances, biographies, or anything in between, there's a book out there just waiting to transport you to another place and time. Plus, reading is good for the brain, right? Keeps those mental gears turning when it's too cold to think straight. So, hit up your local library, browse your favorite online bookstore, or dust off those classics on your shelf and get ready to escape into a world of words. Chapter 4. Lace up your skates. Okay, I know I said we were staying inside, but hear me out on this one. Ice skating is like the quintessential winter activity. It's a chance to embrace the chill, get some fresh air, and maybe even show off your amazing skating skills. Or, you know, just try not to fall on your face, we've all been there. Picture this. You're gliding across the ice, the crisp winter air is hitting your face, holiday music is playing in the background, and you're surrounded by friends and family. It's like something out of a Hallmark movie, but with less cheesy dialogue, hopefully. Plus, if you're feeling really adventurous, you can even try ice hockey or figure skating. Just maybe wear a helmet for everyone's sake. Chapter 5. Puzzle it out. Alright, last but not least, we've got puzzle solving. This one's for all my fellow homebodies who love a good mental challenge. And the best part is, there's a puzzle out there for everyone, whether you're into jigsaw puzzles, crosswords, Sudoku, or even those brain-bending escape room games. Picture this. It's a snowy day, you're all cozy inside, maybe there's a fire going, you've got a warm drink in hand, and you're completely absorbed in the challenge of putting together a 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzle of a cat wearing a monocle riding a unicycle. Hey, I don't judge your puzzle choices. Or maybe you're racking your brain over a particularly tricky crossword clue. Either way, puzzle solving is a great way to keep your mind sharp, challenge yourself, and pass the time on those long winter days and nights. Outro. Stay warm, my friends. There you have it, folks. 5 fantastic hobbies to keep you busy and warm this winter. Which one are you going to try first? Are you going to become a knitting ninja, a baking champion, a bookworm extraordinaire, an ice skating superstar, or a puzzle-solving genius? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, while you're there, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome ideas to help you survive and thrive during the winter months. Stay warm out there, my friends.